In this video, I will cover addition and subtraction of positive and negative numbers. For addition and subtraction, there are 4 possibilities. First, addition of negative number or subtraction of positive number. Third possibility, subtraction of negative number, or fourth possibility is addition of positive number. If we add negative number to positive number, we need to do subtraction. If we subtract positive number from positive number, we need to do subtraction. When we do subtraction a negative number from a positive number, we need to do addition. Fourth possibility, when we do addition of positive number to the positive number, we need to do addition. Now example, we do here addition of positive 4 by negative 3. So here plus minus, so we do subtraction. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Next example, we do here subtraction from positive 4 with positive 3. So here minus plus, so we do subtraction. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Next example, from positive 4 we do subtraction by negative 3. So minus minus is addition. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Last example, we add positive 4 to positive 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So answer is 7. 4 is greater than 3 and 4 is positive, so all answer in positive value. So now you understand all possibilities. Now next example, negative 3 subtract with positive 5. So we can write like this, addition with negative 5. Plus and minus is equal to minus. So we can write like this, minus 3 addition with negative 5. So negative number adding to the negative number, so 8, and greater value is negative here, so answer is negative. So negative 8. Now next example, we are doing addition here with positive number, positive 2.1 to the negative 4.29. Here 4.29 is greater than 2.1. So answer will be in the negative value because 4.29 is negative. Now 1 is negative, 1 is positive value. So we need to do subtraction. So answer is 2.19 and it is in negative because we did subtraction from 4.29 to 2.1. Now next example, negative 3 subtract from negative 8. Negative sign will convert to addition. So negative 8 addition to positive 3. So negative and positive means we need to perform subtraction. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. But this value 8 is greater than 3 and 8 is negative. So answer is negative 5. Next example, negative 2 and 1 over 3 plus 1 and 5 over 6. So these both are mixed fractions. So we need to convert in improper fraction. So 3 multiply with 2 is equal to 6 plus 1 means 7, 7 over 3. So here we can write like this, negative 7 over 3 plus 6 times 1 is equal to 6 plus 5 means 11, 11 over 6. We can write like this, 11 over 6. Now here we can see denominator are different. So for addition or subtraction, we need same denominator. So we can multiply here 3 with 2. So denominator will be same, 6. So we will multiply this fraction with 2 over 2. So we can write like this, here 2 over 2. Then this value plus 11 divided by 6. So we can write like this. Now further simplification, 7 times 2 is equal to 14. And 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So negative 14 divided by 6 plus 11 divided by 6. So now denominator is same. So now we can do addition of numerator. But one number is negative and one number is positive. So we need to do subtraction. But 14 is greater than 11 and 14 is negative value. So answer will be negative. So 14 minus 11 is equal to 3. So we can write like this, negative 14 plus 11 divided by 6 is equal to negative 3 divided by 6. We can do further simplification. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So answer is negative 1 over 2. Next example, negative 4 over 3 subtract with positive 3 over 2. As we know, denominator should be same. So here 3 and here 2. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6 and 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So we will multiply this one with 2 and this one with 3. So we can write like this, negative 4 over 3 multiply with 2 over 2. And here we need to multiply with 3. So we can write like this, minus 3 over 2 multiply with 3 over 3. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8 and 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And here 3 times 3 is equal to 9 and 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So we can write like this, negative 8 over 6 minus 9 over 6. So here denominator is same, 6. So we can write like this, negative 8 addition to negative 9. Here plus and negative sign is equal to negative. So here addition of negative number to negative number means it is addition. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. But higher value 9 is negative, so answer is negative. So negative 17 divided by 6. There is also butterfly method for addition and subtraction. By this method, we can skip the one step. So we can skip this step. There is no need of this step. So I explain here butterfly method. A over B plus or minus C over D. So here the same case. Negative 4 over 3 minus 3 over 2. Here we will multiply A with D like this. So A multiply with D. So here we can see 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Now we will multiply C with B. So C multiply with B. So 3 multiply with 3 is equal to 9. So here the 9. Now for denominator, we will multiply B with D. So here we can write like this, B multiply with D. So 3 multiply with 2 is equal to 6. So denominator is 6 for both. So by using this butterfly method, we can skip this step. Hope this video help you understand addition and subtraction of positive and negative numbers. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.